Good afternoon. We are starting with today's. I hope you are ready with your textbooks. Did you all write the question answers? Did you all write the question answers I said? Okay, okay. So we have to discuss. We have 3 more question answers to discuss. We shall do that. And we will start with the exercises. Okay. So I shall ask Leon. Leon, please unmute. Leon?
Yes.
Yes. Leon, tell me the answer. Why did the girl or why does the girl decide to write the book and not buy the book?
The girl got money.
Once again, Leon. Yes, Leon, tell me the answer. Why does the girl decide to write a book and not buy a book? What happened? Leon, tell the answer.
She don't have the money.
Very good. She didn't have the money to buy the books. Okay, okay. Very good, very good. Okay, so she decided to write a book because she did not have the money to buy a book. Okay. Now I want, who will answer me next? Okay. Agne.
Okay, ma'am.
Agne, please unmute. Okay, Agne, tell me the answer. Do you think a child can write a book?
Yes.
Yes. Why do you think so?
Because the child
Try.
Right.
Sorry?
The child thought to write a book.
Okay, the child knows to write a
ma'am.
book. Can you just elaborate a little more?
Yes.
Tell me. What do you require to write a book?
Because the child.
What do you need? Agne, what do you need to write a book? What do you need?
Piece of paper, pencil.
No, forget the paper and pencil. What does the girl tell us to write a book? What do you need?
Money.
Not money, that is to buy a book.
Nice and funny.
No, to write a book, what do you require?
Nice and funny.
No, listen to my question. What do you require to write a book?
Idea.
Very good, very good. You require ideas. Yes. So a child, Agne, are you listening to me?
Yes.
Yes, a child can think, right?
Yes.
Yes. So if anyone who can think can also write a story. As a child can also think about fairies, monsters, and ghosts. Yes? You can also imagine. So you can definitely write a story. Okay? Okay. Now the next question is to Advait. Advait?
Yes.
Advait, tell me, do you like reading books?
Yes.
Yes. Why do you like reading books? How does it help you? How does reading books help you? Yes. How does it help you?
Knowledge.
Knowledge. Okay, very good. It gives you knowledge. What else? What else, Advait? What else do you get when you read books? You get knowledge, then?
Language.
Sorry?
Improves language.
Improves language. Very good. Yes. Then? Knowledge improves language. Okay, you're right. You're right. No problem. It helps you learn new words.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. 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 Very good. So, reading books helps you gain information. It gives you more knowledge. It lets you know about other places. It helps you improve language. So, all of you all should start reading books from now on. Okay?
Enjoyment.
Yes?
Enjoyment.
What happened, Nivya? Are you saying something?
Nothing now.
Okay, okay. Who is this person who has joined with a number? I can see somebody, and some videos are switched off. Okay, now what I want you to do is please open page number 20 of your textbook. Open page number 20. Take your pencil and eraser also. We are going to do the exercises. Yes? Page number 20 of your textbook. 20 of your textbook. Page number 20.
Non-textbook or workbook?
Textbook. Textbook page number 20. Okay, ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So now get ready. We shall do the exercise. Okay, it's a reading comprehension. Okay, you have to look at the picture and answer the questions. Yes? The children are in a dash. Park, library, playroom, kitchen. Ryan? Yes, library. Okay, okay. So you can write library. Who is that? Library. Please mute your audios. Library.
Window has
Okay. Second one. The window has dash curtains. Blue, green, red, purple.
purple.
Okay, okay, okay. Yes.
The bracket, right?
Yes, yes, D. Whose audio is that causing disturbance? Okay, next one. There are dash 5 dash in the picture. Child, children, child, children. Okay, very good. D.
B. മനസ്സിലായി
If you have doubts, you can ask me. Please don't talk with your parents now.
Okay, ma'am.
Children.
Okay. Fourth one. The child wearing a green t-shirt is using a blue dash computer. Okay. Is using a computer. Who is that talking in Malayalam in between? Who is talking in between? Yes, Ryan? Okay. Look at the next question. The child wearing headphones is sitting on the dash side. Right, left, top, back.
Back. Right.
Right, okay. So right there, R-I-G-H-T, right. I don't have that picture over here. Right.
Right. R-I-G-H-T, right.
Finished? Finished?
Ma'am.
Okay, can we move on to the next? Can we go to the next exercise?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, I wrote.
Okay.
Yes. Ma'am, page number.
Page number 21. Page number 21.
Blue.
Yes, no, same textbook. Textbook itself. Yes. I can't hear you. Five questions. Fifth one is right. R-I-G-H-T, right. Yes.
Read well.
I haven't asked you to read.
Page number.
Page number 21. Please listen to the instructions. I just said page number 21 of the textbook. You all are busy talking to your parents. That's why you're not listening. Okay. Yes. Now look at this exercise. Archa, will you please mute your mic? Your mic is always on and you're talking to others. Please mute your mic. Yes. Okay, look at the picture. Look at the picture below and answer the questions. The family is in a dash car. Blue, green, red, yellow. Blue car. Okay, blue car. Right there, blue car. Who is that now? Yes. Okay. Next one. What time of the day is it?
Night.
What time of the day is it?
Night.
Night. Okay. So you can tick over there, night.
Question. Night.
Night. Okay. Next one. The father is driving the car. Dash. Is that Archa or is it Azza? Azza, wait, others please stop talking. Azza, why aren't you listening when I'm telling you what to do? Check the screen. What have I done? Have I written or have I ticked? The second one I said there is no place to write, so tick it. All the others I have written in the blanks. Please listen when I am telling you what to do. Okay, third one. The father is driving the car. Dash is sitting on the left. She, they, he, it. What is it? He. Okay. Okay. Then fourth one. We can see 4 trees, lampposts, cars, flags. Lamppost. Okay, lamppost. Very good. Yes. Okay. And the last one, we can see 6 trees, huts, roads, buildings. Buildings, okay.
Buildings.
See, because you all keep talking in between, you can't listen to what I am saying. And you're getting confused. Mute your mics. Why do you want to switch on your mics when you're writing? Just mute it.
Building.
Yes. Abel, where were you all these days? You were absent. You were not there for the class. What happened? Abel Binoy? Okay.
Building.
Yes. Finished?
Ma'am, finished.
Okay. Everyone has finished?
Ma'am,
Has
Yes,
everyone finished?
Yes.
Okay. Now what I want you to do is please close your textbook. Open your workbook. Page number 10. Page number 10 of your workbooks. Open page number 10 of your workbooks. Okay, can you see this? Yes. So over there,
Which page?
page number 10, 10, page number 10 of your workbook. Okay, you have to tick the correct names for each of the pictures. What is the first picture?
Bug.
Yes, very good. Bug. So tick over there.
No.
Please
I'm
tick over there.
Right.
No need to write, just tick over there. Bug. You are given 3 boxes.
Ma'am, tick.
Who is asking me for the page number now? Okay, next one. Is that a worm, a snail, or a bee?
Spider.
Second one. Snail. Okay, snail. It's a snail. Okay, Ryan, tell me what is the third one?
Ma'am, spider.
Spider. Okay, very good. Okay. Prithvi,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me what is the fourth one?
Butterfly.
Butterfly. Okay.
Butterfly.
Abir, tell me the fifth one.
Grasshopper.
Grasshopper. Very good. Okay. And Shivada, tell me the last one.
Bee.
B.
Bee.
Okay. Very good. Yes. Finished?
Yes.
Yes. Now can you see the next exercise?
Yes.
What is that?
Yes.
What is that?
Sun.
You have to,
Rainbow, and star.
yes, you have to write the names over there. Okay. So we will write the names.
Sun, rainbow, star. S-U-N. Sun, rainbow. R-A-I-N.
Wait. Who is that?
R-A. Capital. Capital. R-A. R-A-I-N. B-O.
Who is talking in between?
B-O-W. Rainbow.
Okay, what is the first one?
S-W. Sun. Rainbow. Sun.
Okay, sun,
Rainbow.
rainbow,
Rainbow star.
star.
Rain.
Okay.
Moon.
What is the spelling of moon?
M-O-O-N.
Okay, and what is the last one?
Clouds.
Tell me the spelling.
C-L-O-U-D.
Okay, very good. C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. Okay. Nivya, have you written?
Yes. Or star.
Sun, rainbow, star, rain, moon, clouds.
Ma'am, right.
Finished?
Yes. Good.
Okay, very good.
Mama.
Yes. Everyone has written?
Ma'am, I don't.
Who has not completed now?
No, it's not written.
Who did not write?
Alpha.
Azza. Okay. Here. Right. CLOUDS, clouds. Okay.
Yes.
Everyone has written?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. So with that, we finish our exercises. Okay. Next week, next Wednesday, we have literature class. I am going to take a dictation.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
I will take a dictation from chapters Tiger Stripes and A Book for My Mother. So this week, please sit and learn the spellings. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
That's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.